Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to be going over what $800 can get you in Tekton tools and why I choose not to compare Tekton tools to Snap-on, Matco, and other tool truck brands. Also, we finally come to an end on the giveaway. First of all, I just want to thank everyone for all the comments and suggestions. They've given me some great ideas and I think they've really helped out. With that being said, the winner of the giveaway of the 1/4 inch master socket set from Tekton is Alex Thelen. So congratulations to you. And also, if you didn't win, I do plan on having giveaways in the future, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of those. Okay, so now on to what can you get with $800 from Tekton. So right here I have their 46-piece combination wrench set. Metric goes from 6 to 32 millimeter with no skips. SAE from 1/4 inch to 1.25 inch with no skips. This set, I believe on their site right now, runs about $225. I got it on sale from Tekton for $195 for the entire set. Now obviously these wrenches don't come in these foam trays like this. This set actually doesn't come with any type of organizer. The cheaper or the smaller piece sets do come with either the plastic organizer, or you can pay just a little bit more and get the canvas roll, like the bag. So let's move on to the next stuff. So right here we have Tekton's 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch master sets. The 1/4 inch, which was the giveaway actually, goes from 4 to 14 metric, shallow and deep. And then from 5/32 to 9/16 shallow and deep, it's got your ratchet, your nut driver, and a couple extensions. On the 3/8, you've got 1/4 to 1 inch shallow and deep, no skips, and 6 to 24 millimeter, no skips at all. You've got your I think a 20-inch breaker bar, ratchet, and extensions. On the 1/2 inch, you've got 3/8 to 1 5/16 on the SAE, shallow and deep, no skips, and then 10 millimeter to 32 millimeter shallow, deep, no skips, with your ratchet, breaker bar, and extensions. So this set, if you buy it, all three of them, runs $375. It was $350 a few months ago, but it's gone up a little bit. So as of right now, making this video is $375 for all three of these sets purchased together. All right, so the next thing is this, I guess they call it kind of universal impact set. It goes from, I believe, let me see here. Goes from 8 millimeter or 5/16 because it does have multiple sizes on some of these sets. You can see 8 or 5/16. All the way up to 1.25 or 32 millimeter. It's a great set. It's something I leave in the truck. Not my go-to set for at home doing things, but it's a great set on the road when I can't take a ton of tools with me. So this set runs about $60. And I don't believe they sell it anymore, but it really is a pretty nice set. So what else can you get? I recently picked up this set of flex head ratcheting wrenches. The set runs $125. I chose to get it in this roll-up bag so I can take it with me, and that's an extra $5. So $130 for this set. Really great quality. This is the metric set that goes from 8 to 19 millimeter. So another thing I purchased were their flex head ratchets. I've got 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch. And great addition to the rest of these lines of tools. It would be nice if there was a spot inside these boxes that you could lay them in, but it's not that big of a deal to me. Another purchase which I wish came with the 3/8 set is these spark plug sockets. $15 for the three of them, and I picked those up. And my last purchase, which I haven't gotten a chance to try out yet, are these USA-made pry bars. I forget the sizing on them. See, yeah, it doesn't say. I think it's like a 12, an 18, and a 24-inch pry bar. Haven't gotten a chance to use them yet, but made in USA, seem to be really nice quality. So if you were to purchase everything that you see behind me, it would run you about $883. Now, don't forget, when you purchase on Tekton's website, you get 10% back. So if you spent $800, you'd get that extra $80 back, which would pay for everything at $800, and then obviously, tax on top. So it'd be slightly more than that. But the reason I don't compare Tekton tools to any of the tool truck brands, in particular Snap-on, because I get a lot of questions about Tekton versus Snap-on. I'll show you why. And here's a picture of what the 1/4-inch master set, 44-piece master set from Snap-on runs as far as price goes. That's the same, really a similar set to what I'm doing in the giveaway. And it's running, I think, $975 on their website. Now, of course, off a tool truck, you might be able to get that for less. But in my opinion, if you're looking for, and again, this is my opinion, if you're looking at tools and you're looking at Tekton sockets, you're probably not thinking, okay, well, maybe, Tekton, or I'm kind of thinking between Tekton and the Snap-on set, when the Snap-on set is 13 times the cost. I never look at two different things when one of them is 13 times more expensive. Doesn't mean it's not worth what they're asking, but it just, to me, when you're looking at Tekton tools, you're probably not between these and Snap-on or Matco and Mac, any of those tool truck brands. Nothing against those brands. I think they're all great. Whether they're overpriced or not is each person's opinion. And the other thing about tools like Snap-on is, guys that use Snap-on, for the most part, use them for work. They use them to make money with. And so it's a different way to justify spending more on tools because you're making money with them. Also, you can write off tools when you're having to purchase them for your job. So most people that I know that are using Tekton are home DIY guys, weekend warriors. We don't get paid for using our tools, and we also don't have the ability to go and drop thousands of dollars on tools when that's not our source of income in the first place. It's more of a luxury to have. So that's why on this channel you're probably not going to see me comparing tools like Tekton to tool truck brands. Not that they're not as good, not that they're inferior, but just because it's not the same type of person that's going to look at those tools. I'm going to be comparing tools like Tekton to Husky, to Milwaukee, to Craftsman, Cobalt. Even Icon is a little out of the price range in my opinion, but it's still, as far as quality that I've seen, they seem to be really good quality. But they are pretty expensive. They're definitely more expensive than any of the other store brands. So that's really my main reason that I choose not to compare these to the tool truck brands. Again, it's nothing against any of those brands. I mean, they're very great. They're very high quality tools. But it's just, in my opinion, a different clientele. So the last thing too is I've gotten a few comments about these tools being a waste of money. Thankfully it's my money and not yours if you believe that. But really, when it comes down to that, it's each person's experience. If you were to buy a set and for some reason you had something go wrong, then of course you're going to think that they're cheaply made. I've had no issues with anything. Also, if you watch the torture test video, the Tekton may have not performed as high as the other brands as far as their braking strength, but within 4 days I had a brand new wrench, no questions asked, didn't have to produce receipts or anything. So they stand behind their products, and that to me is worth way more than the durability of a tool, especially since I have pretty much two of each size that I need anyway. So if I were to break something, I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. I know a lot of people have asked for a garage tour and a toolbox tour, and my plan is at 1,000 subscribers, which blows me away that we're already at almost 750. But at 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a full garage tour of kind of what I have going on here, here in the garage. So thanks for watching, and again, congratulations to Alex Thelen for being the winner. And if you don't want to miss out on any of the future giveaways, like I said in the beginning, make sure you subscribe to the channel because there will be more coming. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.